Hey there, it's Gayle from BERNINA of Naperville, and you know what day it is today? That's right, it's Friday, so it's time to show you what came this week. There's a lot of stuff, but I also wanted to take the opportunity to kind of tell you and show you some of the videos that you can look forward to seeing on our YouTube channel, and then also what you'll be able to do here in the store as well, because now we have some hands-on classes. And hey, just a little bit of housekeeping. Don't forget that if you are signing up for one of our hands-on classes, that you're actually going to be here in the area for that, because some of you have been signing up thinking that they're online tutorials, but they're actually really hands-on classes. So just thought I'd put that out there for you. So we're going to start going around the store with something I showed you last week, but we finished our project. We have loaded it up for a class, and we're also making a video on it. So let's fly. Remember the on-the-go collection that I showed you last week? Well, we made our quilt. So here are the Let's Fly pattern airplanes. There's 5 of them. Now, this is going to be a hands-on class here at BERNINA of Naperville. I'm going to be flashing up the date for you there. And then also, we're going to be making a video on this one. I think that this is a perfect class for you to take if you want to improve how to cut for long strips so that they're accurate. It's also a pretty good one if you want to learn how to convert template piecing into paper piecing. And it's kind of a fun thing, because what we did with this one is it's not only, sorry about this. Okay, it's not only just an airplane quilt, but it's a play mat on the other side. This is a canvas panel that's available that I just centered in on the back of the quilt with this other cute little border from the same collection. And don't forget, this is the On The Go collection from Moda, and the pattern is Let's Fly. And yeah, so that's what we did there. I just need to get some toy trucks and some airplanes, and I'll be ready to play on this baby. Also from Moda, we just got in the Dwell in Possibilities collection. Now, this is really very elegant, I think, and we're in the process of putting together a quilt out of our quilt patterns that we've kitted here. So you get all of the ingredients to make this Dwell in Possibility quilt panel right here. It even includes the backing and the binding. So look for that. That's going to be under my needle this weekend. And yeah, you get all of these in your kit. And it's more than likely going to be a video and a in-person class as well. Hopefully, we'll see how that goes. Also, this is another thing that we're working on with our Twisted Log Cabin. We have these cute little animals. So there's pandas, there's bunnies, there's Three's Company, which is the little bird, the lion, and the elephant. And then some other little animals and some fur-looking things, some stylized rainbows and mushrooms. So this is a great collection from Dear Stella. Also from Dear Stella is our cute little pirates and pirate shrimp and some little flamingos and everything. I forgot to show this to you last week, but it is really adorable. I love it. Particularly the little octopi there. And Amy's working on a really pretty fabulous project, and I'm just going to sneak in there and show it. Look at this. So, for those of you that love to press your little hearts out, this is a no-sew applique technique, and this is a free pattern that you can find at Free Spirit. But look at this. It's got all of our cute little, anything mermaid, surfing, octopi, sea related is on this quilt. Now, I do have to tell you, it also has Essence of Camilla on it. Amy's not happy about that. She said to me that she's going to make John scrub it off because he encouraged Camilla to run on it. But look at this. So what Amy's doing now is she set up our cabinet with the wool pressing mat. And so she's just pressing all of this down because it all has the heat and bond on it. You can see it here under there. And so she's going to press this down. Then we are literally just going to take it to our Q24 with the Q-matic and stitch our little hearts out on it. And we're thinking about doing this as a quilt in a day class. you know, you can kind of let us know what you think about some of these ideas. You know, we have great ideas, and then sometimes they turn into what we're rethinking. So I'm also going to be making a super cool flannel shirt, probably out of this pattern, out of some of our new flannels that we got in. Now, these are a little bit out of season right now, but you know, sometimes when we start a project, it takes us a few months to make them. So there's that. Oh, and look, here is our pattern of the month for March. So this is going to premiere a little earlier than I initially thought. So this is going to go up tonight, more than likely. And this is the cow neck tee. You saw my version that I made with the green long sleeves, and now I made another version for the video, and I like it even more in the short sleeve version, honestly. Hey, so signing off for today, I just wanted to show you, so this is the Promise quilt. This is the large size Promise quilt for rank beginners. This is a class that we actually had to add a second class for this because it was so popular. So this just came off the long arm, and I need to add a binding on it, just like our Let's Fly quilt that we just made. But so this is a pretty large size. So you can see here, I had to just put it out on our store floor like this. I'm going to be making another version that's smaller for our video, because there's going to be a video that accompanies this hands-on classes. So for those of you that can't make it to a class with us in person, there's going to be a video. And all of these things are hopefully going to premiere within the March-April timeline. Now, don't forget, you can always come to us too for some of our shorter tutorials, because we're going to be doing those too. We've got some things planned for the B64 air threading serger. Also, we're doing a cover stitch Lopedia segment on our cover stitch machines. We're going to be doing some more stuff with knits. You know, just got a lot of stuff planned. And just in case you missed it, don't forget that we have lovely rayons, cotton lawn from Stoff, from Art Gallery. We have really luscious linings. We have the Warp and Weft from Ruby Star. We even have some rayons left from them. I love this little seersucker from Kaufman, and this one. Chris has a Aloha shirt out of this. And then that Heather Ross collection that we have even has some cotton lawn, and I am making a peasant skirt out of this stuff. And then this stuff, oh my God, it's amazing for home deck. So hopefully you'll come check that out. We even got in one more set of the Bernina 790 special edition with that peacock purpley faceplate and matching 480 and suitcases. So hey, one of you out there, that could be yours. I'm just saying, I just have to put the bug in your ear. Thanks a lot for joining us today. Oh, I forgot to show you this cool little awesome drippy rainbow fabric. This is from Wyndham. It's Carrie Bloomstone. It's a color theory, but I'm doing something a little bit special with this, so that's something else that you can look forward to seeing, maybe. What? Clearance fabric? Yes! Oh my gosh, we just added to it. Look at that. We did the Poppy Promenade. So please, please get the rest of this. Oh, yep. And we added Merci Paris. So maybe that'll tempt you in to come get some rest of that collection that's left. But don't forget to check out our Bernina of Naperville YouTube channel. And hey, this is where we add all of our tutorials, and where you're going to be able to see Graphic Jam when that premieres on Saturday at 9 a.m. But if you want to see more happenings here at the store, want to sign up for our tutorials, want to just, you know, kind of learn a little bit more about your Bernina, you can check us out. It's easy. It's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville. And if you wouldn't mind liking, commenting, and subscribing, that would be great. And hey, you know, even if you tell your friends, that'd be even better. But hey, thank you so much. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. And hey, see ya 9 a.m. tomorrow for Graphic Jam. Bye.